At palakpakan natin yung magulang ni Joyce, and in the future will be also the parent, the standing guardian as well of Mike. Ladies and gentlemen, as we introduce here in the society of our couple, this is really an official introduction into the celebration sa kaning not pending marriage of our couple. Ladies and gentlemen, let's express our joy on our beloved newly engaged under commitment together. They are really figuring themselves on their wedding day. That's why we are having this engagement party right here. So allow me to introduce, ladies and gentlemen, to celebrate this important milestone in their new life, the togetherness. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, our soon-to-be bride and soon-to-be groom, Mike and Joyce. Here we go. A round of applause, please. Okay, Ma'am Cornelia, okay lang dito ka muna, ma'am. Hindi sa kanapitan, ma'am. Okay, I would like to request Sir Mike and Ma'am Joyce to please take this moment to stand because, sir, congratulations and best wishes on your married life. We have this Filipino tradition, like you're going to bless the mother of the soon-to-be bride. So, ma'am, pablisod ni mo ang imong future po na anak-in-law. Okay, sige, pablisod. You're going to bless. Do you know that Filipino tradition already, sir, right? Okay. And then you're going to hug your daughter as well, ma'am. With all the support. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen. Sige, dito sa kadapita, ma'am. You may go back to your respective seats. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this wedding, or not wedding, this engagement celebration is very intimate. Kung isa ang pinakadool silang kasing-kasing muna are invited today. So let's show off our support through our greetings. Let's all shout congratulations. Joyce and Mike. Okay, let's all just shout congratulations, Joyce and Mike. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Congratulations, Joyce and Mike.
Okay. I believe baragi ka tanang nga pika-pika, so mas energetic ka karong mabuna. Anyway guys, kung gusto ko na ito pagpamalakpak og syagit, kay mga manihapon ta dayon. Alright, let's all shout. Say the loudest as you can. The best congratulations to Mike and Joyce. Everybody, let's all shout congratulations, Mike and Joyce. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Congratulations, Mike and Joyce!
Alright, maraming salamat. You may take your seat now, including our newly engaged couple. Ladies and gentlemen, it is really important that our newly engaged couple should be provided a spiritual and meaningful na pagsugod, ano ginatawag nila na not pending married life.